So guys, I want to say these things. Do you know that video that I made? Suffer not the wings to live, the practical way to do it. Guys, after making that video, I got so many warnings. Like, I don't know how to put it, but I was surprised after making that video. I received a serious warning that why should I be making such videos to free people? And why should I be making such video that I did not take any permission from them, and I'm just exposing them. I'm just exposing what people can use to set themselves free. And I was like, what? In fact, I thank God for my life, because God has been there for me. I've been fighting my battle. I never knew that I would get such warning. Yes, I know that other videos I make at times I receive some kind of attack, but this one comes as a serious warning. Like serious warning, physically serious warning, not even in the dream. Not even in the dream. So you see, you would think that this is an easy thing. This is that you just say it and then go. It is not that. It's not that easy. It's not the way that you think. They said I should not be making such video again. So what do you think, guys? I know some people say, I know, how can I support you? I know, what will I do so that you'll be making that video? My dear, my life is important. I still have children. Yes, I know that God protects. But they want me seriously never to make such videos again. Like, seriously. But I'll be making the video. You know why? God is the owner of my life. My life is not in the hand of anything. I'm doing it for the humanity, and I'm doing it for those who are into bondage. I'm doing it for those who are into bondage. That is my calling, to save people who are into bondage. So, I'm just saying this today because I am pushed to say it out. So that whenever I upload such video, you not just take it for granted. And the only thing that you can help me to do is to do what? To share my video. That is the only way that you can support me, and to also buy my products. If you want me to be making such deep video, because I've already warned me that why should I be putting such video for free? I am not supposed to be exposing some of these secret things that will make people to come off from their captivity. But here I am, making it so that it will be better for you and I. So, let me show you guys what you can do for me. What you can do for me, just to support me, to tell me to keep on, making such videos. Yes, I know that it is a risk. By God's grace, God is with me. Whoever God is with, nobody can bring the person down, or nothing will ever happen to that person. God is alive. So let me take you to that, so that I will show you something. Let's go. So guys, this is the only way that you can support me. Please purchase my products in order for you to be encouraging me to be making such secretive videos. Okay, thank you for doing that. So I have a lot of products here. Okay, this is our dollar incense called dollar. It works like magic. And this one is our road opener oil, and it's also good for those who want visa. Is restock. Okay, so this is our monkey sugarcane extracts. Very medicinal, very medicinal for those that has movement of the body that is just maybe caused naturally, that is not caused by evil people. That one requires the spiritual work on it. But once it's just a natural thing, maybe you always have movement in the body caused by infection and all that, just get this sugarcane monkey extract. Okay, so these are the one that is remaining. Here is sex sweetener, sex booster. If you're the type that you don't always enjoy and has a room, This is the solution, and you start enjoying yourself in the agile room, and it will be sweeting you like sugar cane and honey. So this is soap. This soap, I don't make it and keep because it's highly spiritual when it comes to marine. This is soap for those that has spirit husband and spirit wife. Okay, so I don't make it and keep. All right, but I just want to use this one for video sake. And this is a consecrated attraction powder. It's not that Bintu Sudan that you see on the market. This one has a lot of spiritual leaf and some other things that make it more effective on it. Okay, so it's not that regular Bintu Sudan powder. So these are restocks ones. Now, and here I have my Kalmata. For those that always complain that their husband or their wife are not paying attention on them, you understand, just get this product and that case will be settled. Now this is our road opener soap. If you know that your road has been blocked spiritually, nothing is moving, get this soap. And this one is our hookup soap. Hookup soap, like if you want to get hooked up by rich men or rich woman this season, it is called very strong attraction soap. Use this and you will attract rich men, not just smart people all over the places, please. Now I have my crude oil. This crude oil, oh god, is on fire. If you're always having bad dreams, get this crude oil. If you want to, like they have done work before for you and it seems like it is not working, like you always have that bad dreams, or you have used other products about bad dreams is still coming, use this crude oil. Okay, so when you buy from me, I will tell you what you need to put inside for it to be very powerful. It's powerful on its own already. So these are the only 4 that left. Okay, I have the up to 30 something, so these are the 4 that left. So this is original pure palm kernel oil, undiluted. This is not the Guari on. Okay, undiluted. So I have a lot of product, I cannot show it all here. So please, if you need to order for a product, please order. It's not even need, I know you will need it. Please order. Just chat me up on the WhatsApp 090-5982-5779. We have all the whole product, both protection seed, we have it, both back to sender soap, oil, we have it, both name it, anything, we have it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please keep on sharing my video. In that way, God will support you as well. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.